everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Cookie Time with Daniela. I will be doing watermelon tanghulu today. See, the name is even funny anyway. So I'm just doing this for kids. And I was just telling him, my son, that the sugar is too much. I don't want to do it because people will think that it's not healthy. The boy said that children need sugar at times, not every time. So I am not doing it for, say, just as assuming you are not doing it for everyone, you are doing it for some people. I said, okay. So as you see, this is what we'll do. I will just use this one to cut the watermelon shape out. Okay, so I will use knife now to support. Okay. This is the hot one. I will still be eating all these ones, so I just okay. I will just continue. Same thing. Same thing. Okay. So I'll be putting this amount of sugar, then add water. Wait for it to boil. So the sugar and the water is ready now. I am dipping the watermelon inside. Then dip it inside the water. It's true, sugar is not healthy, But once in a while, the children need sugar. And I'm not eating this though. Hey guys, try it. Let's see how. Wow. Well, this is the end of the watermelon Tanghulu. I know a lot of people will say it's not healthy, it's not healthy. Please don't be angry. It's not healthy, that's true. But the kids also need sugar once in a while, not every day. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us, and please share. There are many more things to come. Please help us to share so everyone can know about us. Thank you and have a nice day. Bless you.